Hey everyone, Jeremy Kitchen here. Today we're going over 3 steps you can take if you're curious about investing in real estate. Step 1. Educate yourself. Start by reading Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and How to Invest in Real Estate, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Getting Started by Josh Dorkin and Brandon Turner. Rich Dad Poor Dad is considered by many to be the gateway drug into real estate investing. It's a relatively easy read with fantastic surface level content to get you thinking outside the box. How to Invest in Real Estate, The Ultimate Beginner's Guide to Getting Started shares great points on real estate investing strategies, including wholesaling, fix and flips, buy and holds, and more. It even has 27 ways you can start finding incredible deals. Both books are decently priced on Kindle, but you can always check them out from your local library if you want to save money. Step 2. Attend local REIs or real estate investor meetups. You can typically find these events on meetup.com, through Facebook investing pages, biggerpockets.com, or asking local investors in your area. Do some research on this, make sure the event isn't trying to sell you anything beforehand. Most of these meetups are free and will have a variety of resources including potential team members like lenders, realtors, contractors, insurance agents, junk removal services, landscapers, and more. Make new contacts every single time you go. I suggest even shadowing investors who do what you're interested in doing. It's very important to provide value if you do this. Be authentic and genuine. Offer to help work on their fix and flip properties in exchange for education or insight. You can learn a lot from books, but you can learn even more from real-world experience. The more people you know, the more successful you can end up being. Your network is your net worth. Step 3. Start building out your team. Find an investor-savvy realtor, 2 or more creative lenders, and 3 trustworthy general contractors. An investor-friendly realtor can bring you on-market deals or even off-market wholesales fitting your criteria. A lender is going to help you figure out your approval rating and or help you get creative with the purchase. As a hard money lender, we are incredibly relationship-oriented, and we love repeat business from clients who perform well. Trustworthy contractors will help you get bids on project price, timelines, scope of work, and more. Bonus step, take consistent action. Success does not come from sitting. It comes from hard work, determination, logical thinking, problem solving, and motivation. Zig Ziglar said, your attitude determines your altitude. Find your most important next step, set daily, weekly, and monthly goals, then go out and crush them. That's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about real estate investing or hard money lending, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Jeremy Kitchen with REI Funding. We'll catch you later.